In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an electronic signature in Google Forms. Adding an e-signature field is really useful when you need people to formally agree to something, like a consent form, a simple contract, or a school or workplace acknowledgement. Google Forms doesn't have a built-in signature question type, but there's a simple workaround that gives you a clear, legally meaningful confirmation from your respondents. First, open Google Forms and either create a new form or open an existing one where you want to collect signatures. Give your form a clear title and, if needed, a brief description that explains what the form is for. This context helps people understand what they're signing, which is important for trust and clarity. Next, scroll to the section where you want the signature. Typically, this goes at the very end of the form, after all the questions and any explanations or terms. You want people to see everything before they sign. Now, add a new question and change the question type to short answer. In the question text, clearly indicate that this is the electronic signature field. For example, you can write something like, "Please type your full legal name below." This will serve as your electronic signature, confirming that the information provided is accurate and that you agree to the terms described above. Right underneath that, you can also add a short description or helper text that explains what an electronic signature means in this context. For instance, you could say that by typing their name, they are certifying that they understand and agree to the contents of the form. This extra explanation makes the purpose of the field very clear. After that, make the question required. This ensures that no one can submit the form without providing their electronic signature. To do this, simply toggle the required option on that question. It might also be helpful to place the date question near the signature field so you can easily see when the person signed. Or you can rely on the automatic timestamp that Google Forms records for each response. Before sharing the form, use the preview option to test how everything looks. Scroll to the bottom, check the wording of your signature field, and try submitting a test response to make sure the signature is captured the way you expect. Once you're happy with it, send out the form link to your respondents. When responses start coming in, open the Responses tab to review the names entered in the signature field alongside their answers and timestamps. That's all you need to add an electronic signature to a Google form in a clear and reliable way.